Achieving the best fit for your hearing aids is crucial for both your comfort and optimal hearing performance. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ear tip. Inside the box, you will find 3 sizes of hearing aid ear tips. Open ear tips allow better airflow in the ear and provide a more natural hearing of your own voice. If your hearing aid doesn't feel comfortable in your ear, try switching to a different ear tip size. Firmly grasp the hearing aid and the ear tip, then gently pull the ear tip off the hearing aid. Choose a new ear tip size. Any ear tips can be used for either ear. Hold the hearing aid with one hand. Align the opening of the new ear tip with the sound outlet of the hearing aid. Push the thin tube into the new ear tip. Then gently pull on the ear tip to ensure it is securely attached to the hearing aid. If necessary, repeat these steps for the other hearing aid. Once you have your hearing aids on, make sure they feel both comfortable and securely in place. If the fit isn't comfortable, repeat the process using a different size or type of ear tip until you find the best fit for you. Thanks for watching.